Keep mulch at a safe distance from siding to prevent moisture retention and pest access. The mulch siding standoff thumb rule of house construction recommends keeping mulch 3 to 6 inches below the bottom edge of siding or maintaining a gap of 6 to 12 inches between mulch and siding to minimize rot and insect entry. Assess your foundation and siding type first, because softer wood and certain engineered sidings are more prone to moisture damage. When installing or refreshing mulch, rake it back from the wall and measure the vertical clearance from the siding bottom to the mulch surface rather than guessing. Use a small level or straight edge if the grade is uneven to ensure consistent clearance along the wall. For sloped beds, create a gentle berm or use a shallow trench to prevent mulch from migrating up against the wall during heavy rain. Consider replacing mulch directly against the foundation with an inert material such as 3/4 inch gravel or a narrow hardscape strip 2 to 4 inches thick to break capillary action and improve drainage. Monitor mulch moisture by pressing a finger into the top 1 inch of mulch after rainfall. If it stays soggy more than 24 hours, you need better grading, more clearance, or improved drainage. Finally, replenish or thin mulch annually to maintain the prescribed depth and clearance and avoid piling mulch against the siding when topping up beds. 3 common mistakes are piling mulch too high against siding, which traps moisture and can cause rot, using only organic mulch right at the wall without a rock or hardscape barrier, which invites termites and other pests, and failing to check clearance after adding soil, or regrading, which gradually reduces the gap over time. Fix the first by pulling mulch back to restore 3 to 6 inches of vertical clearance or a 6 to 12 inch horizontal gap. Fix the second by installing a narrow gravel or paver strip at the wall base before replacing mulch. And fix the third by remeasuring after any soil work and adjusting mulch depth or adding a short retaining edge to keep mulch from migrating. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and resources around projects like proper mulch clearance and drainage, and we make it easy for contractors to find work from nearby homeowners looking for help. We also host a discussion community where we share practical tips, field questions, and swap photos so we can learn from each other and keep properties safe and dry.